What's the meaning of commission? Commission. Commission.
Commission. Commission. Commission refers to the act of assigning a task or project to someone, typically in exchange for payment. The term is often used in a business or creative context, such as when a company hires an artist to create a painting or a salesperson to sell a product. The result of a commission is usually a completed project or task, which meets the specifications agreed upon by both parties. This can include anything from a physical object, to a piece of writing, to a service provided. Ultimately, a commission is a transaction that results in the fulfillment of a specific need or desire.